look at the orders. These are the orders we need to complete today. Oh, there's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Bulldozer. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in! Mew Mew, what happened? My cargo ship tipped over and all the goods fell into the sea. Can you help me scoop them up with an excavator? No problem! The excavator is on the move! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Excavator. They're scattered in the water. Let's scoop them up. That's amazing! You've got all the good stuff! Thank you! You have done me a great favor! You're welcome! Construction team, mission accomplished! Let's move on! Next order! White Sheep, is there anything I can do for you? I want to build a park so I can play with my friends in it. Can you help me? Leave it to me. Bulldozer, let's go! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Bulldozer. Drag the bulldozer to shovel up the building. Great! Now let's put the rest buildings in the corresponding pits. You built the park! Construction team, thank you! We all like the